Game! Gawa tayo ng sizzling beef. Yung mga ingredients. Beef na tri-tip. Saka string beans, carrots, garlic, onion, tapos bell pepper. Tapos susutain na tayo. Ito yung mashed potato. Okay? Start tayo. Oil. Muna tayo ng sauce. Okay? Garlic. Onion. Heavy cream. And susunod, chicken powder, sea salt, garlic, white pepper, basil, dill, saka parsley. Hintayin lang natin kumulo. Okay? Kunin natin yung beans. Set aside muna natin yung sauce. Mashed potato naman tayo. Butter, saka salt and pepper, and milk. Okay? Onion. Bell pepper. Tapos, beef. Ang beef na ginamit ko, tri-tip. Tapos, minarinate ko, salt and pepper, oyster sauce, cayenne powder, saka paprika. Okay? Rest na vegetable, lagay nyo na lahat. Tingnan tayo. Lagyan natin ng oil muna. Beans. Potato. Beef. Gravy. Okay. There you have it. Thank you. Bye-bye.